Watch me transform the area from this to this. Preparation is key. So we measure and wash. We take away the old shelves and the brackets. And it's important to do a dry measure to see where the tiles are going to go up to, where they will start and where they will end, including the gaps for the spaces. You'll see here that I'm removing the corner pieces so that the tiling can go right into the corners. I got it. These PowerPoints were the bane of my life. There's two side by side, and when I was tiling, there was nowhere for them to rest onto the tiles. But you need to remove them so that there's room for the tiles to go in and behind the PowerPoints. Applying some thick frog tape here to protect the bench and the windows. And also removing the covers from these two pesky PowerPoints that were side by side as well. And here you'll see I've got some drop sheets. They're actually bed sheets. Now I am applying some waterproofing. This was my favourite part. Nice, thick, gloopy stuff. Now I have tiled with the spaces here, and you can see there I'm struggling with the PowerPoints and getting the cutting in and around them. But I got there in the end. Here I've got the tiles on. Now the grouting is in and on. And now it's all complete. Even around the PowerPoints. Woo! Before and after. The clients wanted to put the shelves back themselves. Thanks for watching my tradie lady work. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please like and subscribe.